What's going on with the truckers? You know, I really thought twice about talking about this topic, but I've had so many subscribers bring this link up to me and this topic up to me. And I just want to say that there are so many people in America, in this world alone, that become truck drivers, and the things that they do not represent who truck drivers are. And I wasn't going to talk about this topic, but someone in the comments said, is this how all truck drivers are? Are they all mentally depressed and crazy? And, I felt compelled to talk about this situation. So basically, on March 16th, a truck driver works with his girlfriend, and he's a daily driver, and his girlfriend is the dispatcher there. So, just to cut the story short, he goes there and he actually sets, yes, her ablaze. And she passes away from that. Next thing you know, they go to his house, and the house is ablaze as well. And I was waiting for more information about this, but they actually interviewed his father, and his father said that he has been having so many mental issues, talking about cults, talking about green men, and crazy dreams he's been having. And so all I have to say is situations like this do not represent truck drivers. And the only thing that he has to do with trucking is he has his CDL. Besides that, that's it. This is a very horrific situation, and I just want to put that out there. But for all truck drivers out there that are dealing with depression and dealing with just, how should I say this? Trucking is definitely a mental game. All right. So, we have to always make sure our mental is intact, especially if you're an OTR driver. But mother truckers, I just want to talk about this because so many people have linked me this video and news articles. This man does not represent trucking. And again, the only thing he has to do with trucking is he has his CDL.